Hello again, this is Robert Veach here. This is my video review of the Bloom Times brand, their 5-foot outdoor 2-pack faux cedar pine bushes and shrubs. It's a set of 2. First thing I'm going to show you is how this was mailed to me in a safe box where they protected everything, and you'll be able to see how it's going to come to your house. This is right out of the package. I didn't fluff anything up and change anything, and it comes with a 2-pack of this nice material that you're going to add to the flower pots. Now these flower pots, this is moss by the way, these flower pots are real interesting because they're very heavy, so they've got them weighted with, it looks like maybe concrete or cement inside them, and they're nice attractive bowls to hold them, and this way the wind won't blow these down. This product gets excellent customer ratings. People really love it, and they're very realistic and lifelike. So we're going to fluff these up and take a look at them again, and we're going to put them in front of my house and see how they look. Here I have the moss put inside, and I have them opened up a little bit. I had my wife do it. She got a better eye than me. Now we're going to put it in front of our front door. But even at this distance, they look very real, and I'm literally just 3 feet away. So what do I think about the Bloom Times brand? They're 5-foot outdoor faux cedar pine bushes and shrubs. A great set of 2. I love this product, so does my wife, and you can see it looks really beautiful in front of our house. They look very real and natural, and I'm looking forward to the neighbors seeing them because I think they're going to love the way they look also. So we both love this product. We're going to give it a full 5-star rating. Please remember to hit the subscribe button and the bell icon so you alert to new video uploads. And if you thought this review was helpful, please hit the like button. There will be an ordering link in the information section of this video review. Please use that link when you order this product to help support this channel. I hope this video review helps you with your buying decision. Thank you for watching.